Hey guys, B-Tech here. So, the other day, I downloaded this awesome wallpaper from Pinterest, but when I set it as my phone and desktop wallpaper, it looked blurry and pixelated. That's when I tried Nero AI Image Upscaler, an AI-powered tool that can turn low-resolution or blurry images into up to 4 times their original resolution. Perfect for wallpapers, prints, or even professional projects. Let's check it out. We've all been there. You find a great image online, maybe for a wallpaper, thumbnail, or design project, but the quality just isn't good enough. Nero AI Image Upscaler fixes that problem by using advanced AI models to enhance details, sharpen edges, and upscale images up to 4x their original size, all without losing quality or making the image look fake. Nero AI Image Upscaler is powered by 6 AI models: Standard, for landscapes, cityscapes, and everyday snapshots; Anime, for anime, illustrations, paintings, and artistic works; Photo, for improving small, low-quality images across various types; Fast, for rapid processing without compromising too much quality; Iris, for details like eyes, fur, hair, and textures; Face Enhancement, online, for low-resolution or blurry faces. And the best part, you don't need a super high-end computer to run this. I'm running it on my Ryzen 4800H laptop with 16GB RAM and an RX 5700M GPU. So let's see how it performs. Getting started. First, download and install Nero AI Image Upscaler from the link in the description. It's pretty simple. You can even change the download directory. I'll install mine on local disk D where I keep all my apps. Once installed, launch the app. You'll be greeted with a short tutorial and then see a clean, simple interface. On the left, the image list where you can drag and drop files. In the middle, the preview of your selected image. On the right, the action panel where you can switch between local and online modes, choose the AI model, and set the upscale factor up to 4x. If you're new, you can start with the trial version, which lets you use local mode without an internet connection. Just note that local results aren't as good as online mode, and I'll show you the comparison later. Let's try the sample image provided. Select the AI model and upscale factor. Click Start. It takes about 30 seconds on my system, but your time may vary depending on your hardware. Once done, wow, the result is sharper and more detailed than the original. Now let's try that Pinterest wallpaper I mentioned. The original is 735 by 480 and looks pixelated when zoomed in or set as a wallpaper. Drag and drop the image. Select Standard AI model in local mode. Set the upscale factor to 4x, so the output will be 2940 by 1680. Click Start. Once it's done, you'll notice the image is much sharper. Click Save Image and compare the original with the upscaled one. The improvement is huge. Now I can use this as a wallpaper without any issues. One thing to note, when you import a new image, the AI model defaults to anime. To change this, head to Options and set your preferred engine, AI model, and output size so you don't have to adjust it every time. Now let's try an anime image I downloaded for my phone wallpaper. It's only 474 by 854, so it doesn't look great. Import the image. Pick the anime model. Set upscale to 4x. After processing, the image looks much sharper, with cleaner lines and better overall quality, perfect for upscaling art images. Testing human subjects. Here's a low-resolution image I downloaded for a YouTube thumbnail. Local mode test. Use the photo model. Set upscale to 4x. The result is sharper, but the face area is still blurry. It's usable, but not perfect. Switch to online mode. You get 10 free credits for the trial. Choose Photo Model, 4x Upscale, and enable Face Enhance, only available in online mode. Processing is much faster, and the result is far superior. The face looks clear and detailed, much better than the local result. Let's test this with all the previously upscaled images as well. In this girl's image, you can clearly see that the face area is much more detailed compared to the local model. In the local model, the clothing texture is gone, but in the online model, it's much sharper and more visible. Cars and objects, the difference isn't as big, but online mode is still slightly sharper. Batch processing. You can also batch process multiple images. Drag and drop all your images. Set the mode, AI model, and upscale factor. Click Start Processing All. Once done, you can save them one by one. If you're happy with the results from online mode, click on My Account and then Pricing Plans. Here you can see the benefits of the professional plan. If you're satisfied with the plan, click on it to complete your purchase. To activate the product, open the Nero Start application, go to your account, and click Enter Activation Code. Enter the license key you were given, and your product will be activated. If you activated it while the application was open, close and reopen it. As you can see, the product will now be fully activated. If you've got low-resolution images you want to revive, or you just want crisp, high-quality wallpapers, definitely try Nero AI Image Upscaler. The download link is in the description and pinned comment. Would you try this tool on your old images? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials.